Capacitors can store voltage and are responsible to reducing noise in electronic devices. But what happens if these capacitors are overcharged? The higher the capacitance and charge of the capacitor, the more dangerous it will be to connect to terminals. But I want to try it. I'm Spidey Maker and welcome to another video of my channel.
Stop texting every second, I just wanna disappear like a fly up in my ear. You don't ever wanna stop, yeah, you have me kicking rocks. Just leave me alone for once, just leave me alone. I'm running away. I'm looking.
From the link above, you can watch the video of making this high voltage generator.
Over the pain, I'm running away. 'Cause I feel lost right now, and it's hard to breathe.
As you can see, this transformer was not like this from the beginning. And I opened up the top coil and found the connection center of the two ends of the wire. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like the video, comment your ideas and click the subscribe button so you don't miss my next videos.